Hot Wheels Monster Trucks! Power Smashers! The original monster truck, Bigfoot! On the back of the card, the name of the truck, of course, is Bigfoot Truck Type Pickup Strength, Shockingly Strong, Crash Attack, Thunderous Applause. And the other trucks in this series is Mega Rex, Gunkster, Rhinomite, Hot Wheels Tiger Shock, and Skeletosaurus. And it also comes with a Connect and Crash car. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alright, here is the Connect and Crash card that has like an icy blue look to it. And then the Bigfoot now, the truck itself, the wheels kind of look clear to me. The tires, a darker blue ice look to it. The base of the truck has a different color blue that goes more towards what the Connect and Crash car blue looks. And then the roll cage looks more of a white look to it. And then the body itself has electric to it. So a lot of lightning on the die-cast body of the Bigfoot Hot Wheels truck. There are a lot of sponsors on the truck. So let's go ahead, just show you. So you see a lot of that electric flow going on in the truck. That makes it a little bit different than just the other version of this same body. So a little bit different. Looks interesting. It looks neat. And there's the top of it with Bigfoot Hot Wheels. So there we have it. Bigfoot, the Power Smashers. So thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you'll find this in a store near you.